Hello guys. So in the previous video, we have seen about the content of PCR, like we have seen the technique in brief, like we have also seen about the applications. So in the today's video, let's discuss about the PYQs of PCR. Then coming to the first question, what is the primary purpose of PCR? Simple, PCR is generally a laboratory technique which is used to multiply the specific segments of DNA. Done. So, or specific regions of DNA. So, the correct option for this question will be option C. The same like I have already compared it with the Xerox machine. So, ఎలా అయితే Xerox machine will be copying the number of copies. మనం ఏదైతే ఒరిజినల్ కాపీ ఇస్తామో దాన్ని ఎలా అయితే కాపీ చేస్తుందో the same way PCR will also copy the specific segment. మనం ఏదైతే segment వాటికి ఇస్తామో it will be multiplying the same segment in how many ever copies you want. మనకి ఎన్ని కాపీస్ కావాలంటే అన్ని కాపీస్. Done. Next question. Which enzyme is used in PCR for DNA synthesis? Simple. Tuck polymerase will be used because Tuck polymerase can sustain the temperature conditions. So, elanti temperature conditions and it can sustain and it can do its function. So, coming to the Tuck polymerase, its function is it will be adding the DNTPs to the complementary base pairing strand. Done. And if the strand has A, Tuck polymerase will add T. Then adenine into thymine, guanine into cytosine, and vice versa. Coming to the next question. What is the optimal temperature for the honey healing step? That is 55 and manam chadiran in the previous video. So it will be ranging between 50 to 65 degree centigrade. That is the lowest temperature which we'll be using compared to denaturation and annealing and extension. 3 steps to compare cheste annealing will be the cooling process. A bit cooling, not a complete cooling. Next, fourth question. In PCR, denaturation is done too. So denaturation is generally done to separate the DNA strands. Done. So double-stranded DNA ni separate cheyadaniki single strands ga we'll be using the technique called denaturation, where it will be denaturating the hydrogen bonds which are present between the two DNA strands. Why is Tuck polymerase used in PCR? Ippude chepparu, it is stable at high temperatures. So whatever kind of temperature you will be using, so it will be stable at that kind of temperature. So the correct option is option C. Next question. Which of the following is not a component of PCR reaction mixture? DNA template, which has to be amplified. Then either amplify cheyalo, that has to be there. Primers, yes, we'll be adding 2 primers. Oligonucleotide primers add chestamu. And we won't be adding this RNA polymerase. So this is the correct option. Yes, DNTPs vaadtamu. We'll be using the DATPs, DGTPs, DCTPs, and DTTPs. So we won't be using RNA polymerase. RNA polymerase has no function in this PCR technique. So the correct option for this question is option C. Next question. What is the function of, and let's go to the previous slide. What is the function of primers in PCR? Simple, to initiate the DNA synthesis. So once denaturation step అయిపోయిన తర్వాత, when the two strands have been separated, in the PCR, the primers will be going and adding to the single-stranded DNA strand at the position of 3N. Done. So 3N positions lo primers will go and add. So when these primers will go and add, then only the process of DNA synthesis will be starting. Done. So DNA synthesis అనేది start అవ్వాలి అంటే primers has to go and join at the strands. Then at the single strands at the position of 3N. Done. So the correct option for this question is option C. Done. Coming to the next question. How many copies of DNA are produced after 10 PCR cycles, starting from one molecule? So the correct option should be 1024, as I have already said in the content, that the formula for this type of questions is 2 power n, where we will be doing 2 power 10. Done. So the correct option, cheyandi, 2 power 10 will be the 1024, where n is the number of cycles. Okay. So the correct option is 1024. If they give different cycles, akkada add cheyandi. 11 icharu, 2 power 11, 20 icharu, 2 power 20. So do like that, you'll be getting the answer. Next question. Which of the following is the correct order of steps in one PCR cycle? So the correct order will be denaturation, annealing, and extension. So the correct option will be option B, that is denaturation, annealing, and extension. So this is the order, correct order for the PCR cycle. Coming to the next question. Which instrument is used to carry out PCR? Thermocycler. So in the previous video, if you remember, I have shown the picture of this thermocycler also. The equipment which is used to for PCR technique. Next question. The primers used in PCR are. So simple. The primers are single-stranded DNA. ఇది కూడా చెప్పాను during the discussion of content. So single-stranded DNA will be generally used as a primer in the PCR technique. Next question. Next. PCR can be used for all except. So what are the applications of PCR అని అడుగుతున్నారు ఇండైరెక్ట్ గా. సో ఎస్ డిఎన్ఏ ఫింగర్ ప్రింటింగ్ కి వాడొచ్చు ఫర్ ది క్రిమినల్ అటాక్స్ కి కానీ ప్యాటర్నల్ మ్యాటర్నల్ ఇష్యూస్ లో కానీ. నెక్స్ట్ ఈస్ ది డిసీజ్ డయాగ్నోసిస్. ఎస్ పాథోజెనసిస్ కి, డిసీజెస్ డయాగ్నోస్ కి, జెనెటిక్స్ కానీ ఎనీ పాథోజెనిక్ డిసీజెస్ కానీ వీ కెన్ డూ ఇట్. నెక్స్ట్ ఈస్ ది జీన్ క్లోనింగ్. ఎస్ వీ కెన్ క్లోన్ ది జీన్ విత్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ PCR. సో ది వీ కెనాట్ translate the protein. So protein translation cannot be done by the PCR technique. So the correct option for this question is option D. That, yeah. Next question. Yeah. What happens during the extension step of PCR? So PCR extension step lo emautundi, one by one DNTPs will be added to the strand, to be added to the primer end. So by the tuck polymerase అలా యాడ్ చేయడం వల్ల a new DNA strand will be synthesized. DNTPs యాడ్ అవుతాయి by the help of tuck polymerase. సో అలా యాడ్ అవుతున్నా కొద్ది న్యూ DNA strand అనేది సింథసైజ్ అవుతుంది అనమాట. సో ద కరెక్ట్ ఆప్షన్ ఫర్ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్ ఇస్ ఆప్షన్ సి. డన్. సో అక్కడ ఏ చూస్తే DNA strands are separated, denaturation. Primers bind to the template, annealing. New DNA strand is synthesized, that is extension. Done. So enzyme will be in the activated state itself. So D option is none for these step. Next question. Which of the following statements about PCR is false? PCR is used to amplify DNA? Yes. PCR uses tuck polymerase from Thermus acuitas? Yes. It has been isolated from Thermus acuitas. PCR requires live cells? No. We can also amplify the cells which are not living. PCR is rapid and sensitive technique. Yes, it is very rapid. Like in the period of 5 hours, you can make millions to billions copies of DNAs. So the correct option will be option C. That is PCR requires living cells. Next question. Which organism is the source of tuck polymerase? In the question lo chusamu. So the correct option will be Thermus acuitas. Thermus acuitas will be the correct option as tuck polymerase has been isolated from Thermus acuitas. Next. Which of the following is true regarding PCR primers? So PCR primers are nothing but a short segment of single-stranded DNA. So the correct option will be short sequence of DNA. Right? So it is generally single-stranded. Question la adagaledu, but for your idea. Next. Which of the following is not an application of PCR? Again, applications are DNA sequencing, yes. For detecting of genetic diseases, yes. For cloning of genes, yes. For breakdown of proteins, no. We'll be generally amplifying in the PCR. Amplification maatrame chestam. We won't be breaking down any components. So the correct option will be option D. PCR is widely used in forensic science because simple amplification. So it can amplify trace amounts of DNA. Even the smallest molecule of DNA can also be amplified by using the PCR. So trace amounts, koncham amount of DNA unna kuda it can amplify anamata. So that is the reason we'll be using in forensic science. What is the role of Mg ions in the PCR? It will be acting as a cofactor anamata. So Mg plus 2. Magnesium ions will be acting as a cofactor for tuck polymerase enzyme. Done. Next question. PCR is a technique based on the principle of DNA replication. So how DNA will be replication? Synthesis. Technique tone manam PCR anedi form. PCR technique anedi work outundi. That is semi-conservative technique. Reverse transcriptase PCR is used to. So transcription ante enti, where DNA will be forming, converting into RNA. Reverse transcription ante enti, from the RNA we will be synthesizing the DNA. So that is option C, amplify RNA by converting it into DNA. Done. So from the RNA, DNA will be formed. That is the reverse process of transcription PCR. The exponential increase in DNA molecules during PCR is due to doubling of DNA in each cycle. Every cycle, the DNA molecules will be doubling. So first cycle lo one molecule is the 2 అవుతుంది. So atla 2 power 2. That is second cycle of 4. Atla. We have seen in the previous question. 10 cycles run cheste 1024 DNA molecules will be formed. So atla doubling of DNA will be occurring each cycle. So that's the reason for increase in the DNA molecules in the PCR. So next questions are based on assertion and reason. So ilanti kind of questions kuda adugutunnaru ee madhyalo. So let's see these kind of questions also. Assertion. PCR is a powerful technique to amplify specific DNA sequences. Yes, we'll be using the PCR for the purpose of amplifying the specific DNA segments. Next, PCR uses restriction enzyme to amplify DNA. No, PCR will be using the Tuck polymerase enzymes, not the restriction enzymes. So the correct option should be A is true, R is false. That is option C. Done. So it will be using the Tuck polymerase enzyme, not the restriction enzyme. Next question. Assertion again. Reason. Tuck polymerase is essential for PCR. Yes, of course it is essential. Tuck polymerase can withstand the high temperatures used in PCR. Yes, that's the reason we are using it. So A is true, R is also true, but R won't be the correct explanation. It is essential, but why is it is essential anedi kaadu, but it can sustain the high temperatures ante. So both A is true, R is true, and R will be the correct explanation of A. That is, Tuck polymerase is essential because it can withstand the extension temperature. ఏదైతే మనం వాడతామో extension లో 75 degrees centigrade per 1 minute. So Tuck polymerase will be able to withstand that kind of high temperatures also. Next question. Assertion. PCR can be used for early detection of infectious diseases. Yes, we can be using this. PCR amplifies pathogenic specific DNA from very small samples. Yes, in an explanation lo kuda cheppan applications lo we'll be using very small, so starting stages or small samples nunchi kuda we can amplify the DNA and we can detect what kind of infectious disease the person is suffering from. So that's the main help of this PCR anta. Smallest sample nunchi kuda multiply chesi ఏ disease ఉంది అనేది ఈజీగా గుర్తుపట్టొచ్చు. So the correct option will be yes, option A, that is A is true, R is true, R is the correct explanation of A. Done. So this is all about your PYQs about PCR. So if you haven't gone through that first video, PCR content చూడండి, తర్వాత come to back to this PYQs, you'll be getting a clear idea about PCR, that is polymerase chain reaction. Hope you like the video. Thank you.